Hey, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Luna Classic video update today. There's this pattern that I was looking at yesterday, and it's a descending triangle on the on the 1 hour time frames for Luna Classic, and we haven't seen any movement for Luna Classic, even though Bitcoin was pumping two days ago. And we do have news for the BlackRock trying to register something for Bitcoin and stuff like that. So yeah, there's a breakdown for this coin actually. So I don't know if we're looking for something like that here. And yes, I would actually expect it to be like this. But let me tell you one thing, that I could see Luna Classic trying to take some stop losses here and then finally go to the downside. So I don't think if this is the best shorting opportunity. Of course, if you want to put a stop loss maybe up to 9280, this is where in my opinion some stop loss will be amazing, and then you're looking for a move all the way to the downside. So we're talking about a drop for Luna Classic from, I'm going to take the trend line here, so from the top to the bottom right there, and you do have the descending triangle. Technical target lies all the way down to 8106, and that's a trading opportunity on the 1 hour time frame for nearly 10%. And when I was looking at it yesterday, it was somewhere up here, so that was almost like 13%. And then the stop loss can actually be 4.39%. so you do have some stop losses up somewhere near there, and you do have this amazing trading opportunity. So risk right over here, reward right over there. Okay, the setup is the triangle right over here, if that actually makes any sense. So let's look at what the weekly time frame also looks like. And so here we go. Today's the last day of the week, and yeah, so it does even make sense to come down. The reason it does make sense to come down is because you do have this trend line going on 1 2 3, come down to that trend line 4 and 5, and that's going to be 6 right there. For me, Luna Classic has at least an opportunity. Now whether you take it or not, that's up to you. And I normally don't trade futures and stuff like that. If I was into the futures market right now, I think that this does look like a nice setup. But one thing I want to say is that this is a stop loss that can be easily taken away. And if let's say you're not into the trade right now, so the better scenario is going to be that if Luna Classic somehow tries to go up here, pump back up right there, and go all the way up here, and you try to take this stop loss, and this one ends up being a wick as well. So from there you try to drop all the way down like this, then this can offer better entry than having an entry down here. Because let's face it, everybody knows, or the whales know, that this is where you have your stop loss. And especially now, you do even have this evening star where you have the green, the doji in the middle, and the red right there. So that's almost like very easy stop loss that people are going to be setting, and take the stop loss, hunt the stop loss, and then go all the way to the downside. But to me personally, it seems like if you do try to come up here, then this whole pattern can actually be destroyed, and you can start an uptrend to the upside again. So that's it for this quick update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.